Option 1. Type Sing in Options and OK. Click Close. Go search bar and type 1 and OK. Type services.msc. Press Enter. Go Windows Biometric Service. Double-click under Properties. Go Startup Type and change on Map and Apply. Service Status Start and OK and Close. Go search bar and type Device Manager. Press Enter. Search Biometric Devices. Not see. Biometric Devices option. Close Device Manager and go to C Partition. Open C Drive. Go Windows. And go System 32. And open Windows Budgets. Open Face Driver. And right click. Hello Face. And install. This option now showing. Right click and update drivers. Close all. Now go Sing in Option. Do you seen? Same issue. And close. Open your Run command. Type GP Edit. MSC. Press Enter and go Local Group Policy Editor. Go Administrative Template. And go Windows Compartments. Now go Biometrics. Now right-click and edit Allow the use of biometrics enabled. And OK. Go. Next one. You all enabled after. Now open Facial Features. And right-click and edit Configure Enhanced Anti-Spoofing are disabled. Apply and OK. And close Local Group Policy Editor. Open your search bar and go Sing in Option.